Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Lawrence and you're watching Unruptured TV. I'm an overseas Filipino worker based in Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia, and in this channel, I do random stuff. When I say random, I mean lifestyle vlogs, travel, gaming, food, shoes, fitness, anything and everything under the sun that I can possibly think of. In this video, we're going to be talking about the Star Wheels Neo ES-600. But before we proceed any further, I would like to thank our friends from Star Wheels Malaysia for sponsoring a part of this video. Please take note that though a part of this video was sponsored, I am not in any way forced to say only good things about the product. Whatever you're going to hear from me today are all my honest and unbiased opinions. So let's not waste any of your precious time. Let's jump into the unboxing. Before we get deeper into the technical specifications of this e-scooter, let me also show you how my daily travel to the office looks like. I did mention in some of my recent videos that my average travel time to the office normally takes about 30 to 40 minutes. Same thing happens when I go back home. This video that I'm showing you right now is my first travel option, whereby I take the train and then I take my company shuttle and vice versa. Please also take note that these videos were shot on different occasions just so you can see how my day goes as I travel to the office and come back home. The other travel option that I have is by using any of the available e-hailing services like Grab or AirAsia, but that would definitely mean I'm gonna have to spend a little bit more for my daily travel. That being said, the Neo should be saving me about 30 minutes and a few ringgits per day. Now going back to the star of the show, the Star Wheels Neo was released in September 2021. It is a compact, self-balancing foldable electric scooter that weighs about 23 kilograms out of the box, which makes it easier to fit into the trunk of most cars if needed. It has a wide baseboard of 31 centimeters topped with a premium rubber mat for extra grip and ergonomic pose. It has a pair of 10 by 3.25 inch tires which provides good torque and is great for urban areas, bike lanes, and they even allow it in parks or recreational areas in some cities. But please take note that each city has their own rules and they might be regulating PEVs in a different way, so better check with your local government first. It also features a new and stylish front fork design with twin front suspension for maximum comfort and stability, and a front and back coil hybrid suspension at the rear, which I personally haven't seen yet because it might be kept under the baseboard together with the other electrical components. It has a pair of mechanical front and rear disc brakes from Star Union, which should be more than enough to put your 48-volt 600-watt motor to a full stop. The Neo is powered by a 48-volt battery, which also runs the electrical components that I mentioned earlier, like the double LED headlights, the brake lights, and those red neon lights running on both sides, which for me is pretty dope. It has two driving modes, economy and sport mode, with a top speed of 20 kilometers per hour on economy or energy saving mode and 46 kilometers per hour on sport mode. As far as the max distance is concerned, one full charge lets you travel up to 60 kilometers on economy mode while 50 kilometers on sport mode. I honestly haven't been able to identify the actual charging time for the Star Wheels Neo ES-600. However, it is recommended to charge the battery for at least 6 hours before using it for the very first time. Keep in mind that both top speeds and range may vary depending on the rider's weight. If I'm not mistaken, the Star Wheels Neo has a maximum payload of 130 kilograms. The Star Wheels Neo retails at 2,999 Malaysia ringgit at the time of this recording. I'll drop the links to their website and their social media pages in the description box or the comment section below, so you can choose from their wide range of products, from entry-level scooters, sports e-scoots, and e-bikes. And that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed creating it for you guys. And if you found value in what you've seen today, Please don't forget to hit that like button, leave me a comment, and share this video with others who might benefit from it. Your support and engagement really means a lot to me, and you know that. It really is what keeps me going, right? So I encourage you to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already yet, and turn on those notification bells so you never miss an update. That way, you'll be the first to know when I release new videos and share exciting content moving forward. Alright? So as always, if you are a content creator or a streamer, keep creating those videos even if nobody is watching. Eventually, someone will do. My name is Lawrence, and you're watching Unruptured TV. See you in the next one, guys.